stupid camera did it again. Hi guys, it was Snow Crossing Cheshire, my homes of Derek Holmes. God, another late start. God, this camera always does this. Stupid camera. There we go now, the time now is...
It's 11:38.
On the 23rd of February 2024, and this is for our Flying Banana service from
Derby
RTC to
Derby
RTC. And I think I see it. Or hopefully we don't get a train photo bomb.
I don't think so.
Are you sure?
Fairly sure.
Just check on RTC if there is any trains coming from that way. I hope, otherwise I'm going to be absolutely mad.
No, it's cool.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Does it say?
Yeah, it's cool.
Okay. Right. It's just nearly approaching the bridge.
Oh yeah.
So, get ready, Dad.
Okay.
Get ready to go on camera.
Oh, gotcha. You want double video.
Phew. Oh, bless me. It's just passing the bridge now. Don't see any trains down there. And we've got .43. Did not catch that. Did not catch them. They didn't say it on those numbers, and they go. Didn't say it on those numbers. Thank you guys. We'll see you next video.